Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will be adding the jump button in order to perform all of the parkours. Okay, for now we don't have any jump button and the player is unable to do any parkour. Okay, so for that let's go ahead and inside the player UI, after this attack button we will duplicate this attack button and name this as jump button. Okay, and we will change its name to jump as well. Then if we click on scene view, click on that, and as you can see this will be the jump button. So now we need to give some space to it, so let me move the pickup button right there. Okay, on top right there, then the attack button somewhere right here, and then we have the jump button. So let's move the jump button right here. Okay, then click on sprites and let's drag and drop this ninja jump in there. That is it. Okay, so it will be showing like this. Now when we are performing parkour, so in the parkour, open up the parkour controller script and here is the jump. Okay, so first of all what we will be doing is at the top we will be adding this line. So from the inventory script, let's copy it, paste it right there. Then we will change this area, so let's copy this from here and click on parkour controller, and right here instead of this input.get button, paste it. And as you know, by using the jump button we perform parkour, and right here we need to add this as well. And when you do that you will be good to go. Save the script, and now let's test this on our mobile phone. So if we click on build and run, save, yes. So now we have the jump button. Okay, let's now try to perform parkour right here. If we click on jump button, as you can see the player is now jumping as well, and we can move, or you can say jump, from that as well. Now let's try to jump right here. As you can see it is jumping to this place as well, and then if you click on jump, as you can see it is jumping from that position as well using the jump button. Okay, as you can see. Let me do it again. Let's click on jump, then let's move to this position, and as you can see the player is not moving anymore. So if you press the jump button, as you can see the player jumps as well. Okay, let's perform it right here as well. As you can see the player is performing it there as well. Let's click on jump button. As you can see the player can now perform parkour as well. Okay, so now our jump button is working perfectly fine, and with this added, let's end this video right here.